Compound fractions. Compound fractions are rational expressions over rational expressions. If I tried to multiply by the reciprocal here, I don't really have a reciprocal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a common denominator in the denominator. And I'm going to multiply by x over x. That is going to give me 2 over x plus 3 divided by 3 plus x over x. This now looks like something we just did yesterday. I can take this, instead of dividing, I can multiply by the reciprocal. X over 3 plus x over 3 plus x. We don't need to show this step from now on, but we can see that multiplying by the reciprocal gets us out of the denominator. So I have 2 over x plus 3 times x over x plus 3. That gives me 2x over x plus 3 quantity squared. Common denominator on the top, let's multiply by y over y. Let's multiply by 3 over 3. That will give us 9 minus y squared over 3y over 3y, and I'll write over 1. Instead of dividing, I'm going to write this as 9 minus y squared over 3y times 1 over 3y. That gives me 9 minus y squared over 3y quantity squared. We see that we don't have a common denominator on top. I'm going to multiply by t over t. That will give me t minus 2 over a common 2t minus 2 over a common denominator of t. I'm going to get a common denominator here by multiplying by t over t. That will give me 2t plus 2 over t. Now I've got one fraction on the top, one fraction on the bottom. Instead of dividing, I'll multiply by the reciprocal of the numerator. The denominator. So I'll have 2t minus 2 over t times reciprocal t over 2t plus 2. Those t's cancel out. 2t minus 2 factors to 2t minus 1. 2t plus 2 factors to 2t plus 1. Those t's cancel. T minus 1 over t plus 1. So let's get a common denominator on the top. I'll multiply by x minus 1 over x minus 1. This denominator. I'll multiply by x over x. This denominator onto the left. It's going to give me 2x minus 2x minus 2 over x times x minus 1 all over 2 over x minus 1. 2x minus 2x is 0x minus negative 2 is positive 2 over x times x minus 1 times the reciprocal of my whole denominator, x minus 1 over 2. Those cancel. Those cancel. I'm simply left with 1 over x. So let's get a common denominator on the top. Multiply by x over x. Common denominator on the left. y over y. That gives me y plus x over xy. Same thing on the bottom, x over x, y over y. That gives me y minus x over x plus y. Now we might realize that we can cancel those denominators out if we have the same denominators and just get y plus x over y minus x. But if we just go through the same process and multiply by the reciprocal of our denominator, we'll see they cancel out anyway, giving us y plus x over y minus x. 6 will be the same idea. Let's multiply by x over x, and let's multiply here by x squared over x squared. X plus 1 over x squared minus 1 over x squared. So that will give me x plus 1 over x times x squared. I'm going to factor x squared minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1. X plus 1's cancel. X squareds cancel the x to give me x over x minus 1.